Jai Shri Mataji. Let's all bow down. Mata take all. Surrendering ourselves, surrendering our attention. Requesting Shri Mataji to be present during our meditation, to guide us through, to achieve thoughtless awareness in our morning meditation. Let's raise our Kundalinis and put ourselves in a bandhan. You who are Shri Ganesha, please let your lotus feet reside on my Muladhara. Please awaken the powerful innocence and wisdom of Shri Ganesha within me. Please let the essence of Shri Ganesha, the purity of Shri Ganesha, be established on all my energy chakras, on all my energy channels, in my thoughts, in my mind, in my actions, in every cell of my being. Keep our attention on top of the Sahasrara, just watching vibrations on both our hands. Just allowing vibrations to flow in. Mother Kundalini to work within us. Shri Mataji, you who are the Adi Kundalini, please awaken within me. Please cleanse my subtle system. Please help establish the union of my spirit, the Atma, with the all-pervading power the Divine, the Almighty, Shri Sadashiva, at my Sahasrara. Mother, let me experience thoughtless awareness, the joy and bliss of your unconditional love and compassion. Mother, I surrender my attention at your lotus feet. Let's move our attention to the right swadishtan and the right nabhi. Working on that. Just cool it down to settle our attention. We will say the cooling mantras for the liver and so our right swadhisthana.
दाएं स्वाधिष्ठान के लिए मंत्र। श्री हिमालय। ओम त्वमेव साक्षात् श्री हिमालय साक्षात् श्री आदिशक्ति माताजी श्री निर्मला देव्यै नमो नमः। श्री चंद्रमा। ओम त्वमेव साक्षात् श्री चंद्रमा साक्षात् श्री आदिशक्ति माताजी श्री निर्मला देव्यै नमो नमः। श्री कैलास स्वामिनी। ओम त्वमेव साक्षात् श्री कैलास स्वामिनी साक्षात् श्री आदिशक्ति माताजी श्री निर्मला देव्यै नमो नमः। श्री निर्मल चित्त। ओम त्वमेव साक्षात् श्री निर्मल चित्त साक्षात् श्री आदिशक्ति माताजी श्री निर्मला देव्यै नमो नमः। श्री चित्त निरोध। ओम त्वमेव साक्षात् श्री चित्त निरोध साक्षात् श्री आदिशक्ति माताजी श्री निर्मला देव्यै नमो नमः। श्री चित्तेश्वरी। ओम त्वमेव साक्षात् श्री चित्तेश्वरी साक्षात् श्री आदिशक्ति माताजी श्री निर्मला देव्यै नमो नमः। श्री चित् शक्ति। ओम त्वमेव साक्षात् श्री चित् शक्ति साक्षात् श्री आदिशक्ति माताजी श्री निर्मला देव्यै नमो नमः। श्री मुकुटेश्वरी। ओम त्वमेव साक्षात् श्री मुकुटेश्वरी साक्षात् श्री आदिशक्ति माताजी श्री निर्मला देव्यै नमो नमः। श्री मोहम्मद। ओम त्वमेव साक्षात् श्री मोहम्मद साक्षात् श्री आदिशक्ति माताजी श्री निर्मला देव्यै नमो नमः। श्री हजरत अली फातिमा बी। ओम त्वमेव साक्षात् श्री हजरत अली फातिमा बी साक्षात् श्री आदिशक्ति माताजी श्री निर्मला देव्यै नमो नमः। सर्वतापहारिणी ॐ त्वमेव साक्षात् सर्वतापहारिणी साक्षात् श्री आदिशक्ति माताजी श्री निर्मला देव्यै नमो नमः। भूतसंतापनाशनम् ॐ त्वमेव साक्षात् भूतसंतापनाशन साक्षात् श्री आदिशक्ति माताजी श्री निर्मला देव्यै नमो नमः। श्री संजीवनी स्वामिनी ॐ त्वमेव साक्षात् श्री संजीवनी स्वामिनी साक्षात् श्री आदिशक्ति माताजी श्री निर्मला देव्यै नमो नमः। श्री विचार शैथिल्य ॐ त्वमेव साक्षात् श्री विचार शैथिल्य साक्षात् श्री आदिशक्ति माताजी श्री निर्मला देव्यै नमो नमः। श्री अतिक्रिया शैथिल्य ॐ त्वमेव साक्षात् श्री अतिक्रिया शैथिल्य साक्षात् श्री आदिशक्ति माताजी श्री निर्मला देव्यै नमो नमः।
The second thing, the nature of spirit, is that he's chitta, he's the attention. He's the attention means when you become spiritually enlightened, your attention becomes enlightened. Now enlightenment, what we understand of these lights is that the lights are falling here and we can see things, that's all. But this attention which is being enlightened acts. It works. It has got loops. It has got weapons. It works. You have to see for yourself how your attention works. Today there was somebody who went and told one of the Sahaja Yogies that I was sitting there and I was getting all negative thoughts and was feeling horrible in my hands, and I don't know why it was happening in the program. So she said, here you have come to pay attention to Mother and to her work and pay attention to your spirit. But if you are paying attention to all the rest of the people here, then you are going to catch them. It's a very simple thing. Where is your attention? Ask this question. This is a very common question in an Indian home. A mother will ask the child, where is your attention? The basis of Indian life is chitta nirodha, is to fix your attention in a proper way. Where is your attention? Is it on your spirit, or is it on somebody else. Like my brother is sitting here, my mother is sitting there, oh, that woman is very bad, she is jealous of me, all this nonsense. Where is your attention? When you get realized, then you start seeing through the window of the spirit. Your position changes. As you're looking at me now, then you come back here and start looking at you this way. Till you are realized, you are sitting before me. But once you are realized, you come here and see others. From there, that's your foot. Nobody can touch you there. From there you see others. Your attention is detached. So the attention becomes enlightened after realization. You pay attention to anything, it works. It does work, no doubt. You try. Those who have got realization should try this. Try your attention. But attention has to be pure. You have to purify your attention. And the best way to purify it is to keep your Agya Chakra open. When this center is open, which is the center of Christ, which I have shown that it can only open through the Lord's Prayer, after realization. When you open that, then you are in that state where your attention is divine. And you'll be amazed how things work out. Even the smallest things, the material things, the useless things, and the great things and the subtle and subtlest, and how you start growing. So the growth is to be achieved by purifying your attention. And to purify this attention is to keep your Agya Chakra open and be in thoughtless awareness. You watch something, you don't think about it. Zen said the same thing, but I think people didn't understand. See, before realization, it's like telling about colors to a blind man. Zen said the same thing. You watch a thing without thinking about it. They created patterns which didn't mean anything, which you see it without thinking. But that's only possible after realization. So the thinking process minimizes and you start witnessing.
Let's just meditate on our right swadhisthana. Settle our thoughts and our attention.
Now we will sing Rag Yaman, which is for the center and right swadhisthana chakra.
मोरे घर आए मोरे घर आए मोरे घर माता जी घर आए, माता जी घर आए, माता जी घर आए, माता जी मोरे सुध बुध मोरी कछु, सुध बुध मोरी कछु नाई घर आए, घर आए, घर आए, माता जी घर आए, माता जी घर आए, माता जी घर आए, मोरे माता जी, मोरे मोरी माता जी, श्री माता जी घर आए, माता जी घर आए, माता जी मोरे सुध बुध मोरी कछु, सुध बुध मोरी कछु नाई यार घर आए, घर आए, घर आए, माता जी घर आए, माता जी घर आए, माता जी मोरे घर आए, मोरे घर आए, माता माता ताज मोरे घर आए, मोरे घर आए, मोरे घर आए, माता जी घर आए, माता जी घर आए, माता जी घर आए, माता जी बगिया से चून चून, 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 फूल मिला आज, फूल मिला आज, बगिया से चून चून, बगिया से चून चून, बगिया 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 से चुन चुन, चुन चुन, चुन चुन, चुन चुन, चुन चुन, चुन चुन, चुन कर फूल में लाबू आज, बगिया बगिया से चुन चुन, बगिया से चुन चुन, फूल में लाबू आज, फूल में लाबू आज, उन फूलों को चरण, उन फूलों को चरण, उन फूलों को चरण, उन फूलों को चरण, चरण चढ़ाऊं निर्मल माँ के चरण चढ़ाऊं, चरण चरण चढ़ाऊं चरण चढ़ाऊं बगिया से चुन चुन कर फूल में लाऊं आज उन फूलों को तुम चरण
In the beginning, of course, the meditation takes some time. But once you will know what is meditation is, how you enjoy my company, how you are one with me, how we can have a rapport with each other. There's no need to have anything else in between, like writing letters or maybe some sort of a special connection. Nothing. Only thing that is needed is the meditation. In meditation you grow. In that spiritually you become higher. And when that happens, you start, in a way, I would say, that when you reach a state of that, I should say, maturity in Sahaja Yoga, then you don't want to give up your meditation, because that time you are absolutely one with me. That doesn't mean for 3 hours, 4 hours you should do meditation. But it is how much intensely you are with me is important. Now it is not how much time you are with me. Then I am responsible for your children, for everyone. I am responsible for your ascent, for your protection, to save you from all your negativity. So it's not like a father who will directly punish you. It's not that. But it's just, all right, you are not my relation, I'm out. That's the only thing that can happen. If you are not meditating, all right, I cannot force you. I have nothing to do with you. You may have other relationship outside, outward. But this inner relationship by which you get your benevolence, you cannot have without meditation. I've been telling all of you, please meditate every day. But I think people are also not understanding the importance of what I'm saying. Because they tell me, Mother, we don't meditate. Why? Now we are realized so why should we meditate? Now this instrument is fully made. But if it is not all the time connected for the mains, what's the use of having it? In that meditation, you will feel the love, the divine love, the beauty of that divine love. A complete panorama changes. A meditative person has a very different attitude, a very different temperament, a very different life, and he lives always in complete satisfaction with himself. You should not just get satisfied with one, you can say, one dance drama or one this thing, one that. But you should have a full oneness with the divine, full oneness. And that is possible only if you really meditate, which is quite an easy thing to do. To meditate is, some people say, Mother, we cannot get over time, we cannot think, we are all the time thinking something, or that time we want to see the watch. In the beginning, you may have a little problem. I am not saying you may not have, you may have. But that's only in the beginning. But gradually you will be all right. Gradually you will master it. Gradually you will know it so well that you would not like to have anything else of a cheaper type. You wouldn't care for such a thing. You see, so to get to your beauty, to get to your glory, to get to your own great personality, which is now exposed to you, only thing you have to do really, religiously, is to meditate.
दाई स्वाधिष्ठान के लिए मंत्र। श्री
Father, please come in my heart. Father, let me see your lotus feet in my heart. Father, please let your lotus feet reside on my Sahasrara. Om Tvameva Sakshat Shri Kalki Sakshat Shri Sahasrara Swamini Moksha Pradayani Mataji Shri Nirmala Devyai Namo Namaha. Let's put our hands together and humbly bow down, thanking Shri Mataji for her blessings and her attention this morning during our meditation, allowing us to experience her immense compassion, allowing us to be surrendered at her lotus feet, and above all, for the blessing of Sahaja Yoga and our self-realization bestowed upon us. Jai Shri Mataji. Let's raise our Kundalinis and put ourselves in a bandhan. Thank you everyone for your vibrational presence at the meditation today. Jai Shri Mataji. Have a great day.